Understanding live set, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Specifically, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, live set. This term might sound straightforward, but it has a rich context in modern culture. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The term, live set, primarily refers to a performance by a musician, DJ, or band that is done in real time, usually in front of an audience. Unlike recorded music, a live set is all about the energy and interaction that happens in the moment. It's not just music being played, it's an experience being created and shared between the performer and the audience. Live sets are common in concerts, festivals, and clubs. Understanding the context in which live set is used can greatly help in comprehending its meaning. Here, we'll look at a few examples. 1. Concerts and festivals. When people talk about seeing their favorite band at a festival, they might say, "I can't wait to see their live set." 2. DJ performances. In club settings, a DJ's performance is often referred to as a live set. 3. Radio and online streams. Sometimes, artists perform live sets on radio shows or through online streaming platforms, bringing the live experience to listeners who aren't physically present. It's important to distinguish live set from similar terms like live performance or gig. While these terms are related, they have subtle differences. Live performance. This is a broader term that can include any live act, such as theater, dance, or public speaking, not just music. Gig. Generally informal, a gig refers to any live performance, often by a smaller or less formal act, and not necessarily limited to music. Live set is not just a technical term, it carries cultural weight, especially in the music community. Attending live sets has become a way for people to connect with the music they love and the artists who create it. There's a shared understanding that a live set is a unique, unrepeatable experience, which is why music fans often treasure these moments. I hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, live set. It's a vibrant term that encapsulates the energy and spontaneity of live musical performances. Remember, the beauty of learning a language is not just in understanding the words, but also in grasping the culture and context they represent. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more insightful content on English language learning.